You recording? Show the cat. Lucky's sound asleep. You seeing this? Doritos. Okay, I'm going to open the bag. Look. What's the matter? You want some Doritos? Do you want some you want some of Mommy's Doritos? Are you awake? Oh.
I'm up now.
That's what happens when Lucky's asleep and we open a bag of Doritos.